Hi, we're Jeff and Grace in New Zealand. I've been doing affiliate marketing since 1998 and I found Entre Institute. My bank balance is going to explode with more money than I could ever imagine. You'll take off. Your business could take off like a F-22 rat car. So here are best online business ideas for 2021. Hi, I'm Jeff Dodd. Been an affiliate marketer since 1998. Here's a question. What would an ideal affiliate program look like? Would it be designed and created by a proven multi-millionaire with a $50 million track record? Would it represent the highest quality training courses and programs on the internet? And be able to easily pay you out as regularly as clockwork on a Friday? Would it respond to your questions fast in the support desk system? Now what you want is very high repeat recurring commission for the lifetime value of the customer. System running a strong and robust back office with solid link tracking tools. Entre Institute ticks all the boxes and meets all the criteria. Other useless programs pay a measly 2% commission. You'd be getting 20 times this. You're invited to the highest paying affiliate program on the internet. Your 2 ways to benefit from the Entre Institute can be found in the blog post immediately below this video. Please accept your free ebook.